This is meteorologist Dan Holliday on Radio Alabama, and here's the latest update from the National Hurricane Center. The last word on Tropical Storm Irma. It continues to slowly weaken as it's moving over southwestern Georgia. That's where the center is right now, about 10 miles to the east of Albany, Georgia, 150 miles to the south of Atlanta. Now, maximum sustained winds have really dropped since the last update, only 50 miles per hour. And the movement now north-northwesterly at about 17 miles per hour. That's pretty much where it was during the last update. Minimum pressure has risen a bit more, 985 millibars or 29.09 inches of mercury. Wind and rain, the main issue here with this specific storm. Let's take a look at radar, where we've had at one of our nearby reporting stations in Alexander City, 1.99 inches of rain so far today. And just a little bit ago, in fact, it was just after 3 o'clock this afternoon, a tree was reported down across Goodwater Highway in Sylacauga. And the wind, of course, one of our two main threats that we're talking about today. This is a look now at about 11 o'clock this evening. This model here, you're seeing 34, the numbers 34 that are showing up over the state of Alabama. These are the average wind speeds here once we get to about maybe 10 or 11 o'clock this evening. So that's one thing to take into consideration. Not looking at anything much more than that because Irma will have weakened even more. This next update sort of shows you an idea of how much more rain we could expect, anywhere from 1.5 inches, maybe 1.4 inches in parts of east central Alabama between now and tomorrow morning. And that's really when we think things will be winding down. Maximum wind speeds likely tonight into very early tomorrow morning. And by then, Irma may very well weaken to a tropical depression. In order for that to happen, the sustained winds have to be under 39 miles per hour. That's the latest update we have for you. We'll continue to watch this throughout the rest of the evening. I'm meteorologist Dan Holliday on Radio Alabama.